Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace only letter or one number in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to find and replace only one word or number. Go to the window menu. Then select the find and replace option. Then we can see here open the find and replace option. Then you can find anything, select this dialog box and write anything. Now I write the hello word. Then select the find option. And we can see here show the hello. Otherwise you can replace this hello. Now I replace on hi. Then click replace. And we can see here replace the hello word to hi very easily. You can find and replace number this same process. You can find another word like 2, then select the replace. Now I replace 2 with 20, then click replace all. And we can see here show the all, then we select again the replace all, and we can see here replacement the all toward to 20 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.